Hello and welcome to Data Plus. I am your host Biju. In this podcast, we explore how data shapes decisions, drives innovation, and transforms industries. Today, in our first episode, we are diving into a topic that is at the heart of it all, from raw to real, the journey of data to insight. Let's start with a question today. What is data analytics? It is not just about numbers or charts, it is about turning raw, messy data into something meaningful, something that helps us make better decisions. Think of it like refining crude oil into fuel. The raw material is there, but it needs processing to become useful. For example, imagine a retail company tracking customer purchases. Raw data tells you what was bought. Analytics tells you why, when, and what is likely to be bought next. That is the power of insight. So, how does raw data become insight? It starts with data ingestion, bringing in data from sources like databases, sensors, or even social media. Next comes data cleansing and transformation. This is where we fix errors, or remove duplicates, and standardize formats. Then we move to analysis and visualization. Tools like SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau help us explore patterns, trends, and outliers. But remember, tools are just part of story. The real values lies in asking the right questions. Let's look at the real world example. In healthcare, hospitals use analytics to predict patients' readmissions. By analyzing historical data, they identify risk factors and intervene early. This leads to better outcomes and even saves lives. One hospital reduced readmission by 20% in just 6 months. That is not just data, that is impact. But there is something we must talk about: ethics and bias. Data can be misleading. If your data only represent one group, your insight will be skewed. That's why responsible analytics is so important. We need to be transparent, inclusive, and fair because data driven decisions affect real people. So, what is next in data analytics? We are seeing the rise of AI powered insights, real time dashboards, and predictive models. These tools are changing how business operates and how governments serve citizens. But no matter how advanced the technology gets, the core remains the same: understand the data, ask the right questions, make better decisions. Thanks for joining me on this journey from raw data to real insight. In our next episode, we will explore the anatomy of dashboard, how to design visual that drive action. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and send in your questions. Until next time, keep turning data into decisions. Thank you.